11 Law of Attraction exercises to help you manifest more. If you haven't been manifesting the things that you want yet, this article may help. The whole idea is to feel better in order to manifest more. Here's how. 1. Meditation. Meditation must be first on the list because when it's done properly, it is one of the best exercises you can do in order to clear your mind of stress, worry, concern, anger, or any other negative feeling. It's really the starting off point that you should be doing at least once a day, preferably in the morning after taking care of your needs. When you meditate, you stop or slow down your thinking. When you stop thinking while awake, you automatically raise your vibration. 2. The checkbook method. This exercise will get you into the habit of thinking a lot about what you want, instead of what you don't want. Here's how it works. Get an old checkbook that you don't use and on the first day, deposit $100. Then, write in the next row what you would buy with it. On the next day, double the amount to $200 and write in the next rows what you would buy with it. Continue this exercise for 365 days. Within a short period of time, you'll find that this process will challenge, in a good way, your ability to expand what you want. Have fun with it. 3. Post-data check. This method was used by Jim Carrey. What you do is write a check to yourself for a large sum of money that you want, like $10 million. Post-date it, put it in your wallet, and once in a while look at it. That's all that he did. And just before the post date on the check, he was paid exactly $10 million for his movie, Dumb and Dumber. Choose an amount that feels believable to you, but that stretches you. You may want to start with $10,000 or $100,000 or $1 million or $10 million. Whatever feels best to you. 4. Creation box. Get a box that is about 1 foot by 1 foot and decorate the outside of it. You can use gold wrapping paper, glitter, bows, or whatever you want. Label the outside of it as your creation box. Then, clip out things that you want from magazines, and throw them in there. Also, get a toy model of your favorite car and put in there too. The point is to have fun with it, and put everything that you want into it. Once you're done, put the box in a place where you can see it every day. Add to it when you want. Make one box for the whole family, or better yet, get everyone in the family to make their own. You could make it into a very fun project. 5. Acting as if. This is a fun exercise and can make you really start to feel what it would feel like to have whatever you want. Let's say that what you want is a great relationship, but right now, you're alone. What you can do is to pretend that your lover or spouse or whoever is right there with you. What would it feel like? Imagine that they are with you right now. You can do this for even the most mundane things like washing the dishes, taking a walk, or while you're driving your car. 6. Vision statement. The idea is to create a vision statement of who you want to be and what you want, write it down and repeat it at least once in the morning when you get up, and once at night. Here's how. On a sheet of paper, write down who you want to be and what you want. Start it off in the present tense. The format is, I'm so happy and grateful now that. For example, I'm so happy and grateful now that I own my own business doing what I love and helping millions of people worldwide. And I am so happy and grateful now that I have perfect health, my dream house, my dream car, and a great relationship. Make it about 5 to 10 sentences, but customize it for yourself, of course. And if you can, memorize it. And when you say it in the morning and night, say it with as much emotion as you can. 7. Segment intending. Segment intending was created by Esther Hicks in order to assist a person with raising their vibration. It breaks down a person's day into segments. And just before you enter a new segment, you then state in your mind or out loud how you want things to go in the present tense. For example, if you were about to head out for your day, you could say, I see myself dressed to perfection and going to work and having a fabulous day. I see myself flowing in traffic with ease. And I see myself interacting with my boss and coworkers from my best self, and I see the best in everyone too. Have fun with this. Try it whenever you want to have a great segment. It's powerful. 8. Book of Positive Aspects. Get an empty journal and write at the top or on the cover, "My Book of Positive Aspects." Next, for every day, write as many positive aspects as you can about everything that you can think of in your life. Write positive aspects about your spouse, your children, your parents, your house, your car, your friends, family, etc. It could be around 3 to 5 pages. Milk the feeling while you write. 9. Emotional Freedom Techniques. EFT was described in another article. It's an energy healing modality that you can use in order to remove the emotional intensity that you have on any past memory. The way to do this for the law of attraction is easy. Tap for whatever stress you may have regarding the feeling of not having what it is that you want. This is the only time it's advisable to think about what you don't want. A quick setup statement could be something like, "Even though the bills are piling up and I don't have enough money to cover them, I deeply and completely accept myself." Then, tap on the energy meridian points with words such as, "This remaining money stress," or "This constant stress," or "Can't pay the bills." It may seem counterproductive, but it removes the negative energy surrounding those thoughts. It reduces the resistance. 11. Scripting. This is the process of writing your life out the way you want it to be. It's similar to the Book of Positive Aspects, but it's more like a journal of your life, but from the perspective of fantasy and creation. At first, it will feel strange because you will feel like you are lying. But the truth is, you're not lying. This is how the universe works. You have to think and feel your reality first. This can be a lot of fun too. Hopefully, this will give you some ideas as to what you can do in order to manifest more of what you want. The point is to have fun with it. If something doesn't feel good, stop and do something else. Have fun manifesting.